Hello students, in the previous session we found the factors of a given cubic polynomial. Okay, in this session also we are going to find how to factorize the given cubic polynomial. So let the given polynomial be f of x. Let the given polynomial be f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay. Now we are using the trial and error method to find the first factor of the given cubic polynomial. Okay, trial and error method. So what is trial and error method? We have to substitute x is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3 like that. We have to substitute. Wherever we get 0, then it is a factor of f of x. Now, first one, I am taking let x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Then f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 whole cube minus 2 into 1 whole square minus of 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 2, 2 into minus 2. Next minus 1 plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So this is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 is a factor. If x is equal to 1 means x minus 1 is a factor of x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. F of x. So it is a cubic polynomial. Three factors we have to get. The first factor x is equal to 1 and the remaining two factors we have to find by using Harness method or trial and error method also. Okay. So suppose let x is equal to, second one I am taking x is equal to minus 1. I am taking x is equal to minus 1. Substitute f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 whole square is 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 1 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Now plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 cancel 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Where x is equal to minus 1, the polynomial is 0. That means x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. X plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Okay. Next two factors we got. Then third factor we have to find. So how to find? You take x is equal to, let x is equal to 2 now. F of 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 whole cube minus 2 into 2 whole square minus 2 plus 2. So this is equal to 2 whole cube is 8 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 2. 8 minus 2 plus 2. Now plus 8 minus 8 gets cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, 0. That means here x is equal to 2 is a factor of f of x. That means x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. So how many factors we have to get? Actually 3 factors, because it is a cubic polynomial. 3 factors we have to get. So the first factor is x minus 1, second factor is x plus 1, third factor is x minus 2. Therefore x minus 1, next x plus 1, next x minus 2 are the factors of f of x. Okay. So by using trial and error method also we can find the next question. x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Let the given polynomial be f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now let x is equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 whole cube minus 3 into 1 whole square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. 1 cube is 1 minus 3, 1 square is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into minus symbol is minus 3, 9 into minus 9 into 1, 9 minus 9 minus 5. Now minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 minus 5 minus 17, minus 17 plus 1 is equal to minus 16. So this is not equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 is not a factor of f of x. Next one, second one. Let x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into minus symbol. So minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 9 ones are 9. So plus 9 minus 5. Now 9 minus 5. Minus 4. Minus 4. Sorry, plus 4. Plus 4 minus 3. Minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. Minus 1 gets cancelled. Or minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 minus 9 plus 9 gets cancelled. We get 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a factor of f of x, or x plus 1 is a factor of x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. F of x. Right? Now how many factors we have to get? 3 factors. How many factors we got now? 1 factor. How many factors we have to get remaining? 2 factors. So those 2 factors we have to get by using Harness method. How to find the Harness method? By writing the quotients of the variables. Write the quotients of the variables. So what is the variable? X is the variable here. The quotients of x cube. First quotient of x cube is 1. Second, quotient of x square is minus 3. Third one, quotient of x is minus 9. And constant is minus 5. Here, x is equal to minus 1 is a factor. So, x is equal to minus 1. Now, you write 0 here. Right? 0. Add these 2 values. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, multiply these 2. Multiply these 2. So whatever you get the value, you write that value here and add these 2. Now minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3. Sorry, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. Here remainder is 0. Now here 1 is the quotient of x cube. Here 1 is the quotient of x square. 1 is the quotient of x square. And minus 4 is the quotient of x. And minus 5 is the constant. So by using these 3, we can write a quadratic polynomial. That is 1 into x square. X square minus 4 into x. Minus 4x. Constant minus 5. Now write or find the factors of this quadratic polynomial. How to find? What are the factors of this quadratic polynomial? First you take the quotient of x square and constant, multiply these two. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. minus 5. Write the factors of 5. Only 1 into 5. Only this one. Now, here the middle term is minus 4. So, we take minus symbol for the highest factor, that is x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. Now, minus into plus, minus x into x square, 5 into 1, 5, minus 5x plus 1x minus 4x. Now, common factor. X is the common factor from the first half, that is x minus 5, plus 1 is the common factor, then x minus 5. So, x minus 5 into x plus 1 are the two factors. Remaining one factor is by taking from here. So, that is x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 and x plus 1 second factor and x minus 5 are the factors of f of x. What is f of x? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay? Next question, y cube plus y square minus 5 minus 1. Y cube plus y square minus y minus 1. Let the given polynomial be f of y, because the given problem is in terms of y. So I am taking f of y. So f of y is equal to y cube plus y square minus y minus 1. Let y is equal to 1. Let y is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 whole cube plus 1 whole square minus of 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square 1 minus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 1 is a factor, or y minus 1 is a factor of f of y. And this is cubic polynomial. First factor is y minus 1 and the remaining two factors get by using division method or synthetic division. So that is y minus 1 here, y minus 1, next y cube plus y square minus y minus 1. Right? Now, here y cube, first term is y cube and the first term is y. So y cube by y is y square. So therefore we get y square is the quotient. Multiply this y square with y minus 1. So y square into y cube, y square into minus 1, minus y square. Change the symbol, minus and here plus. These two gets cancelled. Y square plus y square is 2y square. Next minus y. This is 2y square and this is y. So 2y square by y is 2y. Symbol plus. So you write plus here and 2y. Now you multiply this one with y minus 1 along with the symbol. Now plus into plus. So that is plus here 2y into y. 2y square plus into minus 2y into 1, 2y. Next, change the symbols. This is minus and this is plus. Plus 2y square minus 2y square gets cancelled. Minus y plus 2y plus y. Next, minus 1. Here symbol is plus. You write plus here. Next, y by y 1. So plus 1. So plus 1 into y is plus y, plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now change the symbol, minus and this is plus. Plus y, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, 0 is the remaining. Now y minus 1, this is the divisor, and this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So that means y minus 1 is, y cube plus y square minus y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. At the same time, this one is the f of y is divided by y square plus 2y plus 1 also. Now you find the factors for y square plus 2y plus 1, that is y square into 1. Y square into 1 is y square. Quotient of y square is 1, constant is 1. So that is 1 into 1 is 1. Next, middle term is 2y. So how to find the factors for this? Y square plus y plus 1. Plus into plus y into y square. Quotient of y and quotient of y is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 again. Plus y is plus 2y. Now y is the common factor. Y plus 1 plus 1 is the common factor. Y plus 1. Now y plus 1 into y plus 1 are the remaining two factors. So total how many factors we have to get? 3 factors. That means y minus 1 and y plus 1 into y plus 1 whole square. That means 2 factors. So here 2 and here 1. So total 3 factors are the factors of f of y. So this is by using synthetic division. Next method, by Harness method also we can find the remaining 2 factors. How? That is, you write the quotients of the terms. Quotients of the terms are y cube quotient is 1, y cube quotient is 1, y square quotient is 1 again, y quotient is minus 1, and constant is minus 1. Write the quotients like this: 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. These are the quotients of the terms. What is the first factor for the given cubic polynomial? y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. We write that y is equal to 1 here. Y is equal to 1. Now you put 0 here. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, you multiply these two. Multiply these two. 1 into 1. 1. 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 1 into 2. 2. Minus 1 plus 2. That is plus 1. 1 into plus 1. Plus 1. Now minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled here. Remainder is 0. See here. This is the 1 is the quotient of y cube. 1 is the quotient of y square. Minus 1 is the quotient of y, and minus 1 is the constant. When it comes from here to here, it becomes y square quotient. Y square quotient, y quotient and constant. Y square quotient is 1, y quotient is 2, and constant is 1. So how to write the quadratic polynomial for this? Y square plus 2y plus 1. See here, y square plus 2y plus 1. Y square plus 2y plus 1. Right? Now y minus 1 is a factor. Then y minus 1 into, what are the factors of y square plus 2y plus 1? Already we found. Y square plus 2y plus 1. The factors are y plus 1 and y plus 1. So that is y plus 1 whole square. Y plus 1 whole square. So like this also we can find the factors by using the Harness method. Thank you.